Hi everybody. I hope the quiz and the test went well for you guys yesterday. Let me know if you had any questions with that. Today we are moving forward with our public service announcement, which is the project that you guys are going to be working on for the next week or so. So making sure that every day you're super focused, staying checked in, and you're reading through all the material that we've put for you on the page. Okay, all the information is there, but make sure you're taking those 40 minutes every day to do what you're supposed to do so that you are on time, so you can get this thing turned in on time. So today I'm going to walk you through what's expected of you today. So first off, if you see, we have this little calendar at the top. So we did our take-home test. Today's April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. We're learning about the PSA assignment, and you're going to get your topic. Okay, so learning about your public service announcement and getting your topic. Thursday and Friday, you are going to be researching and finding your resources. Next Monday and Tuesday, you're going to be learning and editing, making your storyboard, and creating your video. Wednesday, Thursday, you're going to record, edit, and finalize, and you must turn it in on Thursday. Super, super important that you turn it in on Thursday so that you guys can watch each other's videos and respond on Schoology on the last day, on Friday. Okay, so my best advice is to read the whole page, read it again, move through your own pace. So I've published a few folders for the next days. So if you guys are just rolling today and you want to roll through it, feel free to do that. Okay, so day one, creating your public service announcement. Today, you will be assigned your topic. You'll watch a few videos, kind of getting an idea for what's expected of you. Tomorrow, you'll start your research, and then you're going to use Schoology to keep up. And you're going to post your 2 to 3 minute video no later than next Thursday, April 9th at 5 p.m. So you're going to read through here about what makes public service announcements so effective. Okay, there's a few bullet points there. 5 parts to include in your public service announcement. So the first one is video footage. You'll be filming original footage. So this means footage that you have created. So you're not taking somebody else's video. You're going to be recording it, and that will be your own footage. Images and photos, you can use Google Images here. There's a hyperlink that'll take you straight to there, or take some photos yourself, up to you, or you can do a mixture of both. Music, if you don't want the normal iMovie music, you can use this hyperlink right here to get you some more music. For the voiceover and narration, it has been suggested that some people hold their phone when they're talking to their phone, and then they put that over their iMovie and they mute their video. Sometimes it gets a little better quality if you use your phone like your microphone, so that is always an option. And then the text, you're going to place text in your video to give more information, but making sure that we are not just reading it word for word. So the quote down here says, pay mind to the PowerPoint rule, which states you should not read your on-screen text word for word unless it's a quote. Okay, so make sure you're not just reading the text on there. The text should be there to enhance your video and tell the listener something maybe they're not going to hear you say. There are 3 different public service announcement styles: the narrative, the documentary/interview, and the announcement. So you're going to read through each of those. You're going to kind of get an idea for which one maybe you would like to do. And then, finally, what you're going to do today. So you're going to find your topic on the PDF at the bottom of this page. Okay, so number 1, topic sheet. Get your topic. Look at the PSA topic sheet below. So I'm going to scroll below. There's my topic sheet. Okay, if you go in there, your name should be in there. Follow it over. It has your category right there. That is your topic. That's what you're rolling with. Number 2, watch 6 different public service announcements, 2 from each category. Okay, so you're going to watch 6 of these. Okay, so you need to watch 2 from this style, 2 from this style, and 2 from this style. We're hoping that you either see, ooh, I do like how the narratives do it, or I do like the documentary style, or I do like the announcements. Okay, so you must do 2 from each of these categories. Number 3, on the assigned worksheet, answer the 2 questions after each video and have an idea of what style you're thinking of. So here's your worksheet. You can just go ahead and click on that. Okay, it should take you right into Notability. It should be easy to type your answers in there. And number 4, you're going to submit the worksheet in Schoology down here at the bottom. There's a place for you to submit that. So here's the PowerPoint slides if you'd like to go through there and read it in a different way than this page. But again, today you're going to get your topic by clicking on here. You're going to watch these videos, 6 of them, 2 from each category, and fill out this worksheet alongside it. And then you're going to turn that in. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you want to look ahead, you totally can. You can work ahead. I'll try to help you out at the beginning of every day. But know that my office hours are 10 to 1 if you have any questions. If you have a question outside of that, feel free to email me or shoot me a message, and I will respond whenever I am back online. So good luck. Have fun. Let me know if you need anything.